flexibility you deserve. So as you can see here, low fixed interest rate, save money over time with a fixed rate loan. So that's just it, guys. So you can just click on view offer to check it out, guys. So I don't want to log in now, so you can just click on view offer to check it out. So as you can see here, the next one here says vehicle equity loan. You can see here, use your car as collateral to get fund fast. You can see here, use your car to access money, fixed interest rates for predictable monthly payment. So you can literally use your car as a collateral, guys, and you will pay fixed amount. So it might be 2%, it might be 3%. So the interest rate does not increase, guys. It is a fixed amount for a particular period of time, guys. So those are the benefits of using BestEgg, unlike other platforms that it is not a fixed interest rate. So on BestEgg it is fixed interest rate, guys. So as you can see here, it says flexibility. You see more flexible approval standard than our unsecured personal loans offer. You can see here, leverage your equity, borrow up to 250% of your vehicle's value, maximum $100,000. So you can do all these things using BestEgg, guys. And you can also check out their product, guys. As you can see here, personal loan, about personal loan, debt consolidation, credit card refinancing, home improvements, moving expenses, major purchases, baby and adoption, everything, guys. You can do it on BestEgg, guys. So just what you just need to do is just click on sign up, guys. So you can see here login and click on sign up. So when you click on sign up, guys, you will literally get yourself a BestEgg account and start enjoying all these benefits, guys. So if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section below, guys, and thank you for watching. See you next time.